I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on Thinkorswim. First, you'll need to set up and fund your account. Thinkorswim provides a robust platform for various trading instruments, including stocks, options, and futures. Before diving into live trading, I highly recommend using their paper money feature. This allows you to practice different strategies and get comfortable with the platform's functionalities without risking any actual capital. It's a fantastic way to build confidence and refine your approach. Once you're familiar with the platform, explore various trading strategies. Swing trading, for example, focuses on capturing short to medium-term gains over a few days or weeks. Option strategies, such as covered calls, can generate consistent income from your existing stock holdings. For those seeking faster action, day trading involves opening and closing positions within the same trading day, aiming to profit from small price fluctuations. Each strategy has its own risk profile and potential rewards. Effective risk management is crucial for long-term success. Always set stop-loss orders to protect your capital from significant downturns. Thinkorswim offers a wealth of technical indicators that can help you identify market trends, support, and resistance levels, guiding your entry and exit points. Additionally, don't overlook fundamental analysis. Understanding a company's financial health and industry position can provide valuable insights for your investment decisions. Combining these approaches can enhance your trading edge. Thinkorswim offers many advanced features, including highly customizable charting tools and sophisticated analysis capabilities. Take advantage of their extensive educational resources, such as webinars and tutorials, to continuously improve your trading skills and stay informed about market developments. Remember, continuous learning is key in the dynamic world of trading. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.